video. This video is all about division. Yes, it's about division. So we have done about addition, subtraction, and multiplication. I hope you understand that. Now, let's try about division. In division, it is an opposite of multiplication. Okay, so in division, we have the very important thing. So this one is what we call reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, in other book, they call this one as swap. I just make it easier word. So swap. Like for example, we have 1/2. When we swap this number, you will get what? 2/1 or 2. Or you can have 4/5. When we get the reciprocal, you will get 5/4. Or you can have 7/14. When we swap or when we get the reciprocal, you will get 14/7. That is the reciprocal. Now, in division, it looks like this. First, if we have 3/5 divided by, this is divided by 1/4. Now, the rules in division, you should get the reciprocal of the second number only. So we will get only the second number, not the first number. So in division, you always copy the first number, change the sign into multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of the number, which is 4/1. After that, you will do the multiplication process. So let's try. 3 times 4, you will get 12. Over 5 times 1, you will get 5. Change improper to mixed fraction, you will get 2 and 2/5. And that is the answer. Let's try another one. Okay, like for example, we have 64/72 divided by 6/8. So again, the first number, you should copy it. So we have 64/72. Next, change the sign into multiplication, which is multiplied by. Next, get the reciprocal of the second number. So you will get 8/6. And then, try to cancel or try to divide the number opposite to each other. Like for example, numerator and denominator only. You cannot cancel the numerator and numerator. So let's try. This one, it becomes 9. Here becomes 1. Here I will divide it by 2. So this one becomes 3. Here becomes 32. Do we have any number to cancel? No more. So just multiply it. 32 times 1, you will get 32. Over 9 times 3, you will get 27. 32 is more than 27. So you will get what? Or you will need to change into mixed fraction. So we will get what? 1/5/27. And that is the answer. Again, 9/10 divided by 4/5 or 4/5. The same process. Copy the first number, which is 9/10. Change the sign into multiply and get the reciprocal of the second number. It will be 5/4. Next, which one we can cancel? Yes, we have 5 and 10. 5 becomes 1, 10 becomes 2. Next, 9 multiplied by 1, you will get 9. 2 times 4, you will get 8. Now, here is still improper. So change into mix. So you will get 1 and 1 8. That is the answer. Now, what if we have a whole number? So in a whole number, there's a different thing. What if the first number is a whole number? Divide by 5, 7. So the same process. Always remember, a whole number has always 1. Wherein the first number is a whole number, so it means you are going to copy. If 50 is a whole number, you always write a denominator of 1. And then, just copy the first number, which is 50 over 1. Times, because we need to change into multiplication. And then, get the reciprocal of the number. So it will be 7 over 5. Now, which one we can cut? Yes, we can do 50 and 5. 5 becomes 1, 50 becomes 10. 10 times 7, you will get 17 over 1. So if you are going to change into whole number, you will just write 70. That is the answer. Now, the difference between the number 1 and the number 2. In number 2, I will write the whole number in the second number or in divisor. For example, 3/4 divided by 12. Now, like what I've said, whole number has always 1. First number, copy, change division to multiplication, and get the reciprocal of 12 and 1. So you will get 1 over 12. Next, cut the number. 3 becomes 1, 12 becomes 4. What will you get? 1 times 1, you will get 1. 4 times 4, you will get 16. That is the answer. The difference between 1 and 2, 1, the whole number is in the dividend, and number 2, the whole number is in the divisor. Now, let's try another one, which is I will insert the mixed fraction. For example, 2 and 1/2 divided by 22. Okay, so let's try on this one. If it is a mixed fraction, change always into improper. And then, a whole number has always 1. So you will get, or times, 1 over 22. Next, we can cancel 11 and 22. 11 becomes 1, 22 becomes 2. Multiply it. 1 times 1, you will get 1. And then 5 times 2, you will get 10. And that is the answer. What if I will write on the first number the same thing? 32 divided by 1 and 1/3. Okay. First, write 32 over 1. Change first the mixed fraction to improper. So I will just copy the sign first. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. After that, I am going to get the reciprocal. So the first number, still copy, times 3 over 4. Next, cut this number. So 4 becomes 1, 32 becomes 8. And I will get 24 over 1 or 24.
Practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for your listening. I hope you enjoyed this video and please share it to your friend. Thank you.